Hi. Fancy seeing you here. Did you come for the view? Can't say we blame you.
Come on in. All right, check this out.
Incredible.
It's as close to an English country estate as you're ever going to get, I think.
It feels like we're in the Cotswolds, but we're in the beautiful foothills of Tryon, North Carolina, Landrum area that's been steeped in equestrian history for hundreds of years now. And I think this is one of the most iconic farms here.
It is also the site of the traditional fox hunting opening meets, which is why it's called Thanksgiving Hill. Thanksgiving Day is the opening day of the meet, and hence the history of this property.
It's so beautiful.
Yep.
Come inside.
Oh, wow.
So
Look.
how big is this?
About 9,000 square feet.
So the grandeur kind of comes right when you enter. I mean, it's so impressive with this curved staircase, this grand hallway with the archways behind Alex here. These doors are incredible. It just really speaks to the craftsmanship that we're about to show everybody. Where do we even begin?
Let's start with the bar.
To the bar. Imagine that.
We have spent many hours in here where the guys like to come in this area, and the rest of us are out there enjoying the view.
Out on the terrace?
Beautiful.
I can imagine. The bar is all beautifully equipped with the chillers, the beverage chiller, the sink. So full service bar here. And then of course the French door that goes out to the terrace to take in the views. And then I love how this flows. You have kind of pre-dinner cocktail, and then you go into living room for a little more socializing, and then into the dining room for dinner, and then maybe out onto the terrace for that after dinner drink. Let's go take a look. So I just love, now we're in the living room, and I mean this is much, I can imagine, like cozy winter evening now with the fire roaring here, this beautiful fireplace. And then of course the backdrop. We're gonna talk about the backdrop about 100 times because it's so hard not to.
Well, and the thing about this is, you know, most of homes of this size have great rooms that are cavernous and you get lost in them. And this room is just intimate. This is their living area, and it is an area you feel comfortable coming and sitting and reading a book. You don't get lost in here. It's beautiful.
I've heard you've been to many roaring dinner parties here in this dining room, and I know that
So many great memories. We've had so many.
has a whole reputation of throwing just fabulous dinner parties here, and that's great for that scullery that's behind us. That's now the trend where everybody wants that area to prep in, get ready for guests to entertain, but not mess up the kitchen and be out of sight. We have that behind us here where we have an oven, another sink, 2 dishwashers, tons of cabinet space, and that full bar, but behind those closed doors so your guests don't see your mess. So let's wind our way into the kitchen. All right, so now we're in the heart of the home, the culinary, where you can whip up all of your culinary dreams. And I mean, if the chef is wanting for anything in this kitchen, then they need to go find a restaurant to cook at, I don't know. So this has obviously endless counter space to prepare. We've got this KitchenAid 6-burner gas range, 2 warming drawers here, 2 wall ovens, more storage and cabinet space than you can shake a stick at. You got a dishwasher here beside the sink, and then you have another stacked dishwasher under the espresso coffee bar there. And then behind me, what's really, really cool, they have a climate-controlled walk-in pantry, and then that's also where you'll find your, big commercial refrigerator, freezer set up.
And again, yes, I love this keeping room, the way it flows from the kitchen into this nice cozy area. You go from the big vaulted ceilings into the nice coffered ceilings, and a wood-burning fireplace where you have the gas fireplace in the main room. This one is cozy and intimate, and it's one of those places that for a nice, winter day, you come settle in and read a book. It's just beautiful.
All right, now let's take you down the grand hall. And on the way, I'm gonna point out all of the amazing features. So just behind Alex there, you have another really, really cute, cozy office. So you have his and her offices, and then over to the right, you have your laundry facilities, a great mud room, and another powder room. So come on, keep up, we're gonna go fast. The theater is amazing, and great screening room for the movies. Coming down the hallway here, we have a guest powder. You have a coat closet or coat check, again, entertaining. You've got these really well positioned in the home for your guests. Again, we're gonna go by and see that view again in the living room.
So our family, being from the UK, have a lot of family that come over from Europe for weeks and extended periods of time. They designed this house to have an entire wing just for their guests. So you've got 4 bedrooms, each with their own bath, with amazing views, and completely can be closed off when not being used. And your guests have privacy if they're here for days, weeks, months at a time.
It's an amazing setup.
It is. So this is the West Wing.
And this truly feels like I'm at the inn at the Biltmore or something like that. This whole wing, it has this fitness center down here too with this incredible. I mean, it's so nicely equipped. You have a steam room, you have the sauna, putting green. You have all of these amenities like in your guest wing, which is amazing.
Your guests can come here and literally feel like they're at a resort.
Which could be a good thing or a bad thing. They may want to stay a little longer, but that's okay. Welcome to the Sanctuary Suite at Thanksgiving Hill Farm. This is truly a mecca of peace up here. You have this incredible view and backdrop, again, that you're probably tired of hearing us talk about, but up here it's a whole different perspective. And then they have their own private terrace to sit and enjoy coffee in the morning, watch the horses run around in the pasture. And again, vaulted ceiling, great area for a sitting room. And then down this hallway, you have all kinds of pampering and relaxing in store.
And this is my favorite wing. In addition to the amazing full-length closets, and I mean they're huge, we have this sanctuary that most women would die for. You have the imported floors, you have a gorgeous big shower with the rain head, but my favorite, of course, would be this tub. I can just imagine sitting here, my bubble bath and my glass of wine, overlooking the views and enjoying and totally relaxing. This is the showstopper.
Right.
It is.
Extraordinary. So obviously it's all about the outdoor spaces in the Carolinas. Just the weather's great 3/4 of the year, and this terrace is just incredible.
This house was designed to capture the views. All of the rooms flow into this one area. This is our entertaining space. This is grilling, obviously. That flows into the kitchen and the keeping room, and then back out here. The dining room, the bar, everything circles right back to here.
This pool terrace is a dream. The pool is heated, has these fountains, great spaces for lounging.
Has the hot tub and spa on that side. And then if you go to the other side of the gazebo and step downstairs is your putting green. So you have everything you need right here, horses and golf. What else do you need?
We're just headed past this charming, adorable guest house that again fits that Cotswolds aesthetic beautifully. It's great for the caretaker or family.
This is such a well-equipped barn for anybody that really is passionate about their horses. You not only have great size of stalls, you've got some turnout on the other side of the stalls so they're not locked in all the time. You've got great mats, you've got everything you need in your tack room. There's a washing machine and dryer in there. You've got your bathing stall here with, of course, your hot and cold wash racks, and then you've got your shavings room. And the bigger part of this too is that you walk right straight out and you have your equipment and you go up just a few feet to the other side and you are in your indoor ring. I mean, for a horse person, this is a dream.
Oh! For those that are more interested in the golf pursuits than the equestrian pursuits, there are plenty of world-class courses around here to play. The Cliffs has 7 different communities, all within about 45 minutes to an hour of this property, Glassy being the closest. World-class golf, A membership at one Cliffs gets you access to all 7 clubs. So that'll keep you busy for a while if you're that avid golfer, and another one of the million reasons to love this area. So there you have it. From this beautiful, exquisite residence that spans over 9,000 square feet with these incredible terraces, wellness areas, guest wing, and everything else.
Including the amazing equestrian amenities, the separate paddocks, the jump field down there. It's truly the art of living well.
Yep. Well, this has been Thanksgiving Hill. On behalf of Deborah Minnick and Damian Hall, thank you for watching.
Thank you. Cheers.